Hi guys, your girl's coming to you from Epcot, and today we are going to play, we're going to go hunt for eggs and for Spike the Bee. So we grabbed one of each to play, and we're going to go have some fun. And I'm going to take you with us. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so we're heading over here to France. That's going to be our first stop. And we'll see what we can find for the egg and for the pollination. Alright, so here we are in France. And now we got to find an egg. And let me see. Yeah, it's the French Gardens. There should be something here in the French Garden. So we got to find the French Garden, which I'm not sure where it's at. But we're looking for a spike on that one.
Spike?
Yep. And then on the egg, we're looking for an egg.
Oh, I see Spike right there.
Oh, Boosie Spike's already. So let's go find Spike over here. Oh, I see him. Okay. Right there, Spike. And he is by the rose. So this is the rose garden. So on this one here, we look for a rose right there. So we put this one on for the French Gardens. Alright, so right there we put the rose stamp. So now we got to find the spice garden. And that's going to be that way. So, but we got to find the eggs still. And I believe the eggs are up high on buildings, if I'm not mistaken. They were before in the past. Alright, so over by Morocco is the spice garden. And wouldn't you know it, spice, a pepper. So, alright, so we're in Morocco and we are looking for an Easter egg. And they should be up high somewhere. I checked back there, did not find it there, so we're going to go this way and see if we can find it over here. So we're looking for an Easter egg with the shape of somebody. Right there! Yeah. Oh, that's Thumper! Boo, good job, you got it! There's Thumper, so we can put that on our... Alright, so I got Thumper there at Morocco. Now we got to go over to Japan and find an egg there. Alright, over in Japan I found the garden here, and there's Spike, and it's an iris, and it's beautiful up here. So I've already done it. So right there's iris. So next we got to go over to Mongolia Terrace and see. Boo went out looking for the egg, and he just messaged me he found the egg. So now we're gonna go meet up with Boo and check out the egg. Alright, we found the egg over here by the centerpiece here of Japan, and it's Judy Hopps. I was told the egg is somewhere over here and to look up. So it's got to be up above. Other side of the sign and look up. I don't see it. I don't see it. On the other side of the sign and look up. Okay, here's the sign. Uh-oh, they told me to go by KitKat, and guess who I found? I found Bunny and Ducky. So it's really not that easy to find the eggs. They do hide them in places. I thought they would be more out in the open so you could actually see, but it's not. It's more hidden back. So sometimes you might have to stop and ask a cast member, and they'll help you. They'll direct you to the right position so this way you can find it. But yeah, this one was hidden by KitKat, so it wasn't even seen on the main drag, if you want to call it that, you know, where you're walking. So you have to go in and around. I thought they would have been more out in the open so you could really see them, but no, gotta find it somewhere else. And I just talked to Tim a little bit ago, so we found Tim. Hi!
Hello.
Alright, so now we're in Germany, and there's an egg here. Can you find the egg? Can you find it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Alright, that's my only clue. Sitting here looking at the flowers and that. They're so pretty, but these ones right here, these are tropical milkweed. That's what attracts butterflies. Up north they have milkweed, but they look totally different than that. But I like all the pretty flowers, and they tell you certain things about it. But this is the songbird meadow, so it attracts birds. Except for I don't think those feeders have any food in them. They're just there for, yeah, I think the feeders are just there for decoration. But they got bird houses all over the place. And the black thing on the pole, that's to help keep squirrels from climbing up and getting into the bird feeders. So Boo surprised me with virtual queues passes for Guardians. So we just got off of Guardians and they played his song that he's been waiting for, September. There's Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, and Chippendale's there too. Here's another area here with some more flowers, and these ones say they're fragrant, so there's smells in them. Let me see if I can find any that smell good. Hey Boo, I'm right here. No smell on that one. It's a pretty butterfly. Oh, look at, they got a pineapple in there growing. Let me see if I can get to it. Oh, there's a lemon plant, or a lemon tree. But yeah, they got a pineapple. Spanish lavender. French lavender. I can't smell. Let me come closer. This has a smell, so you want to get up to it.
It smells really good.
Oh yeah, that's for French lavender smell. Ooh. So, of course, we can't go to Epcot and not see flower. Look at my boy. Look at my flower. And Thumper's laughing his little booty off.
Look at that hair on Flower, though.
I know, Flower's got that nice little spike going up. Oh, we didn't have that much spike.
Okay.
Well, we're back on the Skyliner. That means we have left Epcot. And we went all around the world. And we're tired. Even though I'm on a scooter, we're tired. I'm tired. Takes a lot out on you going around the world.
Girl, I can go around 2 more times.
2 more times? I'm hungry though. I'm hungry.
I tried to stop at the Regal Beagle, but you didn't want to go. Or not the Regal Beagle, I'm thinking of the Freestyle.
The Regal Smokehouse,
yeah,
whatever it's called.
Oh, well. We'll try it one day.
Yeah. So we technically did not finish. We got 3 missing on this one, and 3 missing on this one. We looked, we couldn't find it. We were getting tired, and we're like, you know, they already gave us the prize, which we got a Figment plate and a Figment cup. That's what we ended up getting. And then technically they gave it to me when we first, when I bought the things. What?
Hey, you know, I just realized they never gave us the greeting that you normally get when you first get on. No. Hi, this is Sarah.
Yeah, I did.
I didn't hear it.
Yeah. 'Cause I said gracias.
You sure?
Yeah.
say grassy?
Gracias.
Okay.
You know I can't roll my R's.
Gracias.
There you go. That's what it said.
Okay.
But now you got me off track on what I was saying.
Alright, well, put your track back on.
Well, quit getting me off track. So we got the prizes, which they'll give it to you at the beginning. So if you don't get them finished, no big deal. But try to do the best you can. That's all I can say. And it was fun. And cast members, they helped out. When we were looking for the Easter eggs, I was asking them, like, where's the Easter egg? They're like, do you want to know where it's at or do you want a hint? I'm like, a hint. And they would give me a hint. And then I would go and found it. So I found it on my own. They just kind of gave me a hint on where exactly it was at. So, or what area to look in. Because some eggs were up high, some were down low on the ground. So, I'm tired. Ooh, look, my face looks all red too.
I know, look how red mine is.
And you seem like you got, yeah, you're getting a line on this side of your face too. So yeah, you're tanning on your face.
And I put on some sun lotion stuff.
Right, well that's why you're not burning. You're only tanning.
I didn't want to tan.
Use an umbrella like I do. I use an umbrella, but my face is still all red. Well, I need to get out to the pool anyways and go lay out.
I'm getting on here right as soon as we get over here to the Caribbean beach. I'm gonna get off at that resort and get in that pool.
You need to go to the Caribbean beach pool?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll be flying right over here momentarily.
Will you just jump out?
Kawasaki, come aboard! Or something. Belly flop. Something.
Geronimo!
Yeah.
So if you've gone to Epcot and you do this, let me know how you do it, or you know, if you had fun. So comment down below if this is something you would do when you come to Epcot. There's a lot of different things you can do. I like that they have 2 games going on, but it's hard trying to look at both of them, so I suggest doing 1 game at a time. That's probably what we should have done, is just did the Easter eggs this time, and then next time go and do the pollen, bee pollen stuff.
Yeah.
But, oh, look at Guardian building. Guardians, oh my gosh, that was the bomb diggity. Hey, don't sing too much, I don't want to be copyrighted.
Oh yeah.
They'll copyright us with your voice.
But we finally got that song.
Yes. So now we've been on it, what, 4 times?
Actually,
Or 3?
it's been 6 for me.
How many for me?
I don't know, but
3 or 4?
it's. Let's just say one of the times.
But we've gotten a different song every time
Every
we've
time.
gone. So, Boo keeps track of that. That's his job. Oh, coming in.
Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Okay, we're at the Riviera now, but we're staying on. We get off at the Caribbean beach. Wild here.
Woo-wee.
And there, folks, you coming to Riviera today?
No.
No, we're going to Magic Kingdom now, so.
Magic Kingdom?
Yeah.
There's not a traveler to Magic Kingdom.
That's how we got here. No, I'm just kidding.
We're going to Hollywood.
We're going to Hollywood.
actually,
Yeah, you'll transfer at the next station.
Yeah, thank you.
She was fun. She was getting confused by Boo. You know, Boo was confusing her. Oh, we're stopped. Where's the fan? The fan's not blowing.
It's a good thing I say we're going to Legoland.
We live right down the street from Legoland. I mean, we are like 5 miles from Legoland.
I think, yeah. That's
Something
what
like
it's
5 miles. 5 or 4. I need to get passes there to the water park so I can go there to the water park.
called. Yeah.
So this was our day, our fun, our adventure for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed going to Epcot. We always enjoy going out and doing adventures and bringing it to you. And shout out to Becky for sponsoring this video. Girl, we love you. There you go. Kevin, you too. We won't forget Kevin. Give Kevin some props. There you go. Alright, Becky and Kevin, Stacy, you rock. Anyways, we are going to be getting off here soon, so we're going to get something to eat and go home. So, have a good time. Bye. So, as always, thank you for being here, and we love you all. Bye. Bye.